beautiful. It's Miss Nikki with Married Mom and Mogul. And I wanted to share with you today my business planner. But before I do, I wanted to show you the latest bag that came with my NOTIQ subscription. I'm showing you this first because there's actually, I've been carrying it as a purse. It does convert. It can be a lunchbox. You see how hear that? There's like a vinyl inside, and it will protect from, like spills or anything. But it's also a backpack, and that way it converts into a purse, which is how I've been carrying it. But the reason why I started here is because this is the wallet that came in one of my earlier NOTIQ subscriptions. And let me show you what happens. So this wallet opens up and it has this book. And in this little notebook, I'll call it, it has note pages, to-do lists, and to-buy lists. But it also has these clear cash envelopes. I am loving this, although I don't use it as much as I thought I would. But what I'm in love with is the actual wallet itself. It has so many slots for my credit cards and for coins, or receipts is what I actually have in there. And what I'm going to do is exchange this planner out for, well, this notebook out and put in my 2023 planner. Okay, so now I'm back at my desk, and I did want to share with you real quick. Like, I just keep my key fob on my wallet because I have one of those cars that it doesn't require you to insert the key. So as long as you have the key on you, the car starts. I know you know what I'm talking about. Well, in order for me not to forget my wallet or my keys, I attach them together, and it has been working out so well for me. But I took it off for a second so that it won't be making so much noise while I try to set this up. So here is the notebook. And here is my 2023 NOTIQ planner. And this is going to be my planner in my purse, my on-the-go planner. As much as I love this cover, I actually believe I love the NOTIQ symbol more. So I'm going to switch them out. I have been trying to decide if I'm going to switch out my rings for the gold. For now, I'm going to leave these on here. As I was switching these, I felt that these sheets are actually the same material. So it's no need for me to switch them out. And this one has the 2023 on it. Now, I have to say, in a quick review of this planner, the pages are a little see-through. I'm not sure how I'm going to feel about that, but it was something that I noticed, and I wanted to point it out for you, because I know that with some of these really nice pens we use, they like to bleed. So that may pose a problem. The other thing is, I do like having the cash envelope in here. So I'm going to take one out. I'm actually going to take two out. I'm also going to take some of the to buy sheets and the to-dos. Now I'm only going to grab a couple of those because there are places on these sheets here's the to buy, and then the gold task that can work for my to-dos, as well as there's a list here for notes. So I really could do without them, but I like how this one gives me the entire line versus this smaller space here. So I'm going to go ahead and put these in here. So I do think I want to give the gold rings a try. So I'm going to just switch them out really quickly. Now that I have the front and the back cover, it'll be much easier for me to put the pages back inside. And there it is. That didn't take long at all. And this is how I'm going to put it right back in there. And here is my on-the-go planner. Now I'm going to go ahead and set up my business planner. I actually have this holder, I guess I should call it. This is my Happy Planner Classic. And this was originally my faith planner, which seems fitting since this is going to be my business planner. I definitely have to have faith to do that. But I wanted to show you, first of all, it has the perpetual calendar in the front. So I can use this to schedule things out, which is actually what I'm going to do with it. And I got this last year for July. So I took out from July to January, and now I'm going to start for January 2023 using it as a business planner. I noticed right away that the setup wasn't really working for me when it came to my faith planning and journaling. So even though I love the planner, which I actually believe, I hope I can show you this, that it was these clear glitter discs that first drew me to this planner. But with these small spaces for each day, it just didn't work. So I'm going to be converting it because it was an 18-month calendar, an 18-month planner. And so I'll have it for the entire 2023. So I think it's going to work out perfectly for business. Now today, I'm going to set up my month view for January. Let's get started. Noticing first that this last page of the perpetual calendar starts with an overview for July, I'm going to white it out. Using my Tombow correction tape, and now I'm going to grab one of these month stickers. Here we are. I see I don't have that many left, and I really did like this sticker book, so I'm going to try to find it again. This is the Happy Memory Keeping sticker book. I know I'm going to be using this page for my month goals, but I'm not sure yet of the headings, so I'm going to leave it just how it is for now. And now I'm going to set up January. First thing I want to do is find something for my sidebar. I grabbed this Blushin sticker book. When I'm setting up my business planner, I tend to look at the Girl with Goals and the Goal Getter sticker books first. And of course, the Blushin sticker book. I really think this might be my favorite. I'm gonna go with this. I'm gonna go with this. Doors will be open to those who are bold enough to knock. And then I'll grab this. You can and you will to go here. I'm going to white this out. I like this Dream Big, Love Bigger sticker, but it's actually too big for my boxes, so I'm gonna cut it. I just used my X-Acto knife to cut that really quick. I like that. So I was looking for something to mark the days that I'm going to film. And I have these. I'm going to use those. So there were just enough for me to mark those days. I'm going to try to film a little bit more this year. Wish me luck. I have a newsletter that goes out each month, and I'm going to use this sticker for that. I have a blog that I've been working on consistently, and I want to keep that up. So I am going to schedule that to go out twice a month. I think that that is realistic. I want to add a couple of these boxes to the page. I'm going to grab the one with the pink and the black. I don't want to lose those polka dots. I was trying to decide if I wanted to use another one and if I would get the opposite, the pink with the black polka dots, but I think I am going to do the same. And this one I'm going to put up here. But that notes may show through, so I'm going to white it out. I have a few appointments that I already know that I have, appointments and meetings. I'm gonna grab some of these stickers from the Girl with Goals accessory book. I'm going to use these boxes to record some of the bills that I have that are just for my business. I do tend to record these in my catch-all planner as well, but I do want to see them here. I have these stickers that I got from Marketing by Monray when I ordered my $1 million planner. I will leave a link for that video in the cards above if you'd like to see my flip through and review of that planner. These are some sticky notes from cloth and paper that I wanted to add, and I think that is all. I now have to fill in all the blanks, but I believe that's everything for now. I have only used the Happy Planner Classic once before, and I think that was like in 2020, outside of when I tried to use this planner as my faith and Bible study planner. So I am looking forward to how this is going to work out for me, because in the past I have used the cloth and paper planners that I've kept inside my NOTIQ agenda. And by the way, I did love that. So we will see. I do appreciate the more space, but honestly, with my business, I do have a small business, so it doesn't require that much space, but I believe that it'll work out well, and I love how it looks. I normally use Happy Planner stickers anyway, so they tend to complement this planner and fit the boxes very well. And I believe that's all. I want to thank you so much for joining me today, and I look forward to sharing more with you in the future. Until then, remember, we can manage all the things together.